welcome you all to the first event ever by Light Forex group of companies in Chennai. We can certainly understand how important South Indian region is for us, and from the prospect of forex market, that we opted to conduct our event here in Chennai. If you ask me, Chennai has huge potential which is untapped in the area of forex, with huge liquidity, potential to massive investments in the coming future. With no exceptions, realizing the need and potential of forex market in India, Light Forex Group has opted to contribute to the development of forex market in India and sees India as a major player in the world of forex trading, perhaps the future hub of forex market. That is why Light Forex India started with the research and development unit, which is now on the verge of becoming an official expansion of Light Forex Group of companies. Light Forex India comes with a version of making forex trading as simple as possible for our clients, with the client support in Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, and soon we will be starting with Tamil and Malayalam as well. The website www.lightforex.in, which is specifically for Indian clients, with deposits made easy due to partnerships with several companies, with highest commission paid in India compared to any other broker, and many more new features. Light Forex works with full transparency with their clients by providing them numerous opportunities of earning, not just by trading but also in the form of various competitions like Traders Marathon, Light Forex Index Master, and many more. We also offer services like live chats, callback, and all other forums where you can find a lot of fruitful content for yourself. Light Forex Group of companies offer trading conditions that are absolutely comfortable both for new traders that have just made their first steps towards understanding the forex market, and for the professional traders who manage significant capital. The major factor for which traders choose Light Forex is the reputation of a stable broker, which the company gained through professional work over the years, with its clients from all parts of the world. Light Forex Group with experience of 6 years in forex trading, and countries like Russia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Ukraine, Nigeria, Bangladesh, and many more, is strongly becoming the definition of forex trading and is growing exponentially in the terms of deposits and number of clients registering on a daily basis. This motivates us to do even more and make trading simple, fast, and full of experience with client cherishes and always prefers to relive the experience. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce my team member who has been in contact with some of you, Mr. Aditya Maheskar, who is handling the expansions of southern region specifically. With this note, I, Akash Deya, Head of Business Expansions, Light Forex India, once again welcome you all to the first Forex education camp in Chennai from the side of Light Forex. Thank you.